Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my soleh-solehah students? May Allah always protect us from any disease every time and everywhere. Hi, Ustazah Rani here, and it means you are going to learn about math again. Actually, for this section, we are going to discuss about a little bit simple part because I know you are still in the Hubul Quran and you have to be focused also in the Hubul Quran. But for this math, you have to still learn about it because math, English, and science is the one of important thing that you have to learn. Now, okay, let's start it, students. Now, today we are going to coming into new topic after you getting mid test and also CPT test, and then we are going to discuss about measuring length in centimeters. Measuring length in centimeters. Okay, so the first I would like to begin to remind you that you still remember how to measure the object or the thing by using non-standard unit. I remember I already give you a task about this. Measure the video to measure the object or a thing by using non-standard unit. For example, non-standard unit is this one. This is an example of non-standard unit. Is called like paperclip or stick ice cream. This is also non-standard unit, or also eraser. Nah, all of that is non-standard unit, and then you already learn it in the first grade or grade 1. Now you are in the grade 2, so you will be now how to measuring length in the centimeters, which is standard unit. So centimeter is one of an example. It's too much ya, banyak. Tapi one of the kind that you have to learn is centimeters. It is one of the kind, standard unit. Okay, this is we called standard unit. Standard units. Okay, that's it. This is standard units. We call it standard units. Kalau ini kita call non-standard units. Okay. So now you know the differences ya between non-standard units and standard units. Okay, for example, length can be measured in centimeters. The centimeters is a unit of length. Now, I absolutely make sure that you have a, how to say this, a ruler, yeah? You have a ruler, and then that ruler is a centimeter ruler. Nah, centimeter ruler or centimeter like this, cm, we rate cm for centimeter. So if you want to read it, you say centimeter, but if you want to write it, you write cm. Jadi kalau kalian bacanya centimeter, tapi kalau ditulis, tulisannya cm. Tidak usah tulis panjang centimeter. Just write down cm. It is enough. Okay? Nah, you can see to measure the length, we always start it from the zero. Yeah, from the zero. Now we are going to see how to measure the length. Now this is an example. We have three object here. Three things here. The first is paper clip, and then the second is glue stick, and the last is pencil. And then I have a friend. Let's say this is my friend. This is my friend. And my friend say Start measuring from the 0 mark. Remember, we have to start it from the 0 mark. So we put it the object from the 0 mark, yeah. We put it the object from 0 mark. And then, which the last hand of the object, it is the measure. Jadi di mana bagian ujung dari unitnya, objeknya itu, maka itu adalah length-nya, panjangnya. For example, the length of the paper clip is 3 cm. Why? Because paper clip from this to this. And this is 3 cm. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 15 ya. Until 16. 15. Nah, so that's why it say 3 cm because the end in the 3. And how about the glue? The end side of the glue in the 7. So that's why it is say the length of the glue stick is 7 cm. And then the last is pencil. Okay, so the end length of this pencil is here. So we can see it is 10. Yeah, so the length of the pencil is 10 centimeter. Okay, that's it, yeah. For this part, you might to just we just learn about a little bit simple saja, but you have to understand about that. So our topic today is about measure in centimeter, which is centimeter is standard units. Standard units. So that students, you can see for more understanding, you can practice in the page 81. Please practice page 81. Oh, wait. Please practice page 81. And then for question number 1, again, let's practice. So your task is page 81, yeah. So wait, I will make it more than bigger than before. Oh, I think it's okay. For page 81, number 1 is talk about you have to measure, yeah. There are some pencils, 4 pencils, and you have to measure it. And then for the second, you have to measure an object. So please take it your ruler and measure some object and write down the name of the object that you measure, and then write down the length of the object that you are measure. Okay. Jadi bagian nomor 2, caranya kalian cari objek, kemudian ukur objek apa saja, kemudian ukur dengan penggaris sentimeternya, kemudian tulis nama bendanya, the length of the bla bla bla. Yang box pertama silakan tulis nama benda yang kalian ukur, kemudian is bla 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 sentimeter, silakan tulis berapa sentimeter. Okay, I think that's all about our topic today. Thank you very much, students, to watching this video. I hopefully you understand about the explanation. If you still didn't have understanding about the explanation, you may to contact me. I think that's all. Thank you so much. See you in the next time. Billahi fisabil haq, fastabikul khairat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.